1. 1972 Chevrolet C10 long bed, $6,800, Belton, Missouri. This 1972 Chevy C10 is a solid project truck featuring a 350 engine, an automatic transmission, and numerous new parts, including a battery, radiator, ball joints, tie rods, shocks, Flowmaster exhaust, and Edelbrock carburetor. Extras include a new glove box, rocker panels, and Chevrolet orange engine paint, ready for restoration with minimal effort. 2. 1978 Chevrolet C10 short box, so $1,234 stars, Spokane, Washington. A 51,733-mile Chevy C10 with its original 350 engine and matching numbers. Features a factory sticker on the air cleaner, a rip in the driver's seat, and minor box damage. Well maintained, drives daily with updated alternator, battery, and tuned carburetor. 3. 1967 GMC C2500. 5. Columbus, Ohio. This classic GMC truck is equipped with an inline 6-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. It has 97,000 original miles and runs and drives fine. A reliable and original truck ready for its next chapter. 4. 1979 Dodge D150 first generation. Burkill, an excellent condition first generation D150. Powered by a V8, the truck runs and drives but needs a charged battery. A rust minimal Carolina truck, it's a collector's dream at an affordable price. 5. 1974 Dodge D200, $4,500, Brighton, Colorado. This Dodge D200 project truck features a V8 engine and manual transmission. While operational, it needs restoration work. Sold as is with a clean title, a great base for a custom build. 6. 1970 C10, $6,500, Collinsville, Oklahoma. This rewired Chevy C10 is ready for a passionate restorer. It includes new tires, battery, shocks, heater core, and more. The engine runs great, though the body and interior require attention. A great classic truck with potential. 7. 1972 Ford F250 camper, $5,800, North Carolina. This mostly original F250 has 53,740 believed to be accurate miles. Recently updated with a new battery, starter, and alternator, it's been a reliable farm truck, perfect for restoration or continued utility. 8. 8. 1972 Chevrolet K10 4x4 Mitchell, South Dakota. A rust-free, original paint Chevy K10. Equipped with a 350 engine, 4-speed manual transmission, and 205 transfer case, it starts, runs, and drives well. A rare find with great potential for collectors. 9. 1963 Ford F100 Long Bed Wrong Bed, $13,000, Phoenix, Arizona. This rare 1963 F100 features a Thunderbird V8 engine, a patina finish, and custom frame modifications. With new interior work and a daily driver status, this unique truck is a standout classic. 10. 1968 Ford F100 Barn Find, $12,000, San Antonio, Texas. An original owner F100 with authentic patina and modern upgrades like power steering and disc brakes. The 3660 V8 engine and manual transmission make this barn find a solid classic ready to drive. 11. 1963 Ford F100 Short Bed, Whitehall, Montana. This original short bed F100 features a 292 V8, 3-speed manual transmission, and 43,000 miles. With a clean Montana history, it's a beautifully preserved classic perfect for restoration. 12. 1952 Chevrolet 3600 Flatbed, $14,150, Post Falls, Idaho. This 1952 Chevy flatbed is a custom classic with handcrafted wooden rails and a solid rust-free body. Boasting a unique blend of cherry, maple, and walnut woods, this one-of-a-kind truck is a collector's dream.